Ayan, maglalaro si Madam ng billiard.
Salad.
Number 4, 3. 3. Ang red one. Kuyaw kay mo siya. Oh, ta. Sniper. Oh.
Nasa number 3.
Ambo niya, dahil may tirahan.
Alam ko, 7. Papuntang 7 ko.
Dah, kuyaw. Buti, magpa-shook. Wala pa. Wala pa, pa-shook-shook ah.
Hirap man number 3.
Wah, tanawa na bali. Sabi. Kaman lagi na i-country. Ryan, you're next. Laki. Busi pa rin. Mahidset na sa likod. Kaluoy. Bidyuhan. Wah, yun kay go. Why, hapin. Pahalay, kuya. Wala yan mo, sila tisa o wala po sila tayubong. Saan eh? Danlog, dili danlog. Kahit yung upload ka mo, huwag tayubong, wala tanan. Kahalok ba na, mamalgi ka ron. Ta. Wagi. Paptan makataghapon na, di pagkakasyata na.
Hoy, trabaho ako sa bilyaran.
Where? Ta.
Bartender to.
Oh, sorry. Bartender, madam ah.
So, and the way pool works is that you can play it 1v1 or 2v2.
2v2.
But depending on what your team hits, that's the color that your dice you're supposed to just hit until all the way to the end.
Okay, I
But
understand.
never touch the 8 ball, because in the rules, if you hit the 8 ball, that's a
You will lose.
penalty.
A penalty.
So you will skip your turn. But if you make it in, if you make the 8 ball go in, you automatically lose, and the other team wins.
That's the rule of a pool.
Yes. So you always want to hit the 8 ball last, which is the full-on black ball. But all the other ones, you want to hit in before that one. So your goal is to be the first one to have all your color go in before you hit the 8 ball, and that's how you win. So like, let's say if you're stripes, you want all of the stripes in the hole, and then the 8 ball is yours.
Uy, dito conga. Sounds of conga. Guitar bagol, tag 300. Ukulele. Bambo kung nahulog ka diya, play ka. Drums. Oh, Tarser, punta tayo dun. Meron din sila mga drinks oh. Nauuhaw sila. Ayan oh, 80 hot choco, meron din fruit shake. Ay, hindi naman yung gumagalaw. Thank you. Start here. Tingnan natin yung ahas dito. Meron pa itong daw. Pumutas bulad eh. Tarser pero hindi gumagalaw oh. Horse riding 150. $150. Pasakyan. Yeah, para ma-experience din.
Safe ba nila? Safe ba yan?
May mga tour guide siguro. May guide
Ito
siguro.
sa mga 3 years old pa, pataas.
Ito siya, ano?
You want to ride, Ryan? Tingnan mo, madam. Ano ba?
What?
Ito na siya. Ang laki eh. Video ko, picture. Tingnan ako, report last minute bills in loss, trabaho. Paasa. Grabe naman to. Tinatawag, we call that enchanted trees world.
Saan dyan?
Ghost. Okay. Utang. Oh, may utang. May utang sa'yo, di ba? Oh, tirahan.
Bayad.
Bayad.
What is Bisyo?
Adlo ka ng mga lupad ne. Ay, mga botilya.
What is Bisyo?
Bisyo, yung vices. Like alcoholic or cigarettes. That's
Yeah, I hate that because mom, it was a smoker.
I'm not smoker.
Is a smoker?
No.
Oh,
No,
you're a
but
smoker.
what I hate about it was she would always smoke, and that's bad for her.
I don't smoke anymore.
Why? Tingnan siya, nag-smoke daw ka.
take your shot.
Before, you understand before?
Yeah.
Did I smoke now?
No, which is good because now your lungs are great.
Kaya na si madam mo nakatapon.
What is
Kung mag-
paasa?
Paasa. Yung paasa. Paasa. Ay, ako talagang magpapaasa. Wait lang. Ano paasa, be?
You make a promise but you don't no.
Keep it.
Yeah. Like we call that
Oh,
paasa.
so it's like a pinky promise. But
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you promise, you will do it.
Ako na, magbayad na
You
kayo.
will not go paasa. Kaluoy, mga utang tirahin mo kung maigo ba nimo. Di ba ka na mulagsik? Kasi pro daw. 25 per bottle guys, kaya
Stress.
oh, tatlo pa talaga. Lahat ba yan sa utang mo o may iba ka tirahin?
Magbayad ang may utang sa
Hallelujah. Then paasa pag yun. Oh, grabe. Paasa tirahe, kay nagpaasa man sila mo bayad. Oh, but didn't promise. Ayun oh, tapit sa may baba. Paasa kada ko kasi litra wa kita.
Wala nga?
Pastilan ka madam. Yan oh, paasa.
Ito na lang.
What XBX? DF ni tinira mo. Kabuwa. Sinali pa talaga.
Kaya tama na.
Magbayad ka na.
You know what you should have thrown at? Bills.
Tama.
Muna kayo dun, ma. Ha?
Picture ka.
Be!
Ano kaya tirahin? Selos?
Jealous.
Why you throw that? Selos.
You're jealous?
Jealousy?
No, I just wanted to throw at something random.
Ah,
So
okay.
celo is jealous.
Jealous, yeah.
So
Jealous.
what is?
Where's the snake?
Right
It's not a snake. It's a liar.
Lash.
May snake dito? Asan banda?
Namahaw. Ano, sabi ko namahaw pang snake.
Kuya, saan yung snake?
Talaga.
Wala dito, kuya.
Oh, horse. For the horse.
I only one.
Yeah, magpabusgon rin sa 20 bayad yan, Jake. Ay, lagi doon lagi. Kay kusmudon ka. They are feeding a horse.
Sabi niya, gibira.
Mag ano daw siya, mag tira-tira. Marble. Adak ang lata di tirahan. You like that, Ryan? There's an arrow also. But 50 pesos per... Pareha bang arrow? Oh. Unsa ka? Wala kay tissue?
Hindi mo kaya.
Oh, at pala.
Mahirap yan, Jake. Mabigat. May tinatawid sila.
Pag matamaan na, may free. Oh. May rabbit sa loob? There's a rabbit in the hole, Ryan. Mag-feeding na tro. Yun o, yun o. 20 per pack lang. Feeding mo, feeding 20.
Hindi ko yan, magpakain.
Libre nga may 20 bayad.
May 20 may bayad.
Kaya ko yan.
Hala, narag, baksan. Narag. Yun ang maat. That's a snake, Ryan.
Oh! No, don't you ever closer.
Eh, hindi man yung mga gat.
Mom, not all snakes are venomous.
Yeah.
Ryan.
Is that one?
It's safe. It's safe.
No. I'm gonna call your dad.
It's safe.
I'm not gonna take you anywhere. Say no more. We're going. No.
Dalawan, pinis. Na-adlock na siya. Adlos python.
Whoa. That one's very big.
Ayun na raw. Yellow. Dak, boy.
Pwede sa iyo, pwede tayo sa gawas mag-picture, sir.
20 naman. Diyan. Andyan, butterfly. She want daw, 20.
One's bigger. There's two of them in that one.
Adlos, alas, oy.
Ay, hindi tunay.
Tunay yan. Nandyan ang pasok.
Dito tayo mag-picture tayo sa
Tunay.
Malay butterfly, makito.
Antay ka rin, kaya masinang halas na sa tulog. Picture daw. There's a bag butang kay basi musod diha siya kay abing
They're making precautions so you don't.
Just like that.
Jake, you wanna hold the snake?
Alright.
Wow, Ryan, go.
Ay, dili ko mag-one. Mami, ligawan mo.
Ay, piyong.
Ma'am, ato bang sa kamera, ma'am?
Wow, cute niya. Oh, ay kumpiyansa imong bag kadiya sa musulod. Pero antara siya mga private.
Are they happy?
Ay. Aman. Ay, oh. Mo ganin niya akong giingon nimo nga ang butterfly dili siya managhan. Alas. Kay nga no, ang story ana niya after mangitlog siya, she will be died. And after mag-breed yung male, mamatay sad siya. Kaya konti lang sila. There's a butterfly. Yes, butterfly. Ganda niya. Uy, lupad.
Akin ka na.
Then there's a black one.
All they do is
Ah, 500 na lang, hindi man madala.
Are they selling? We can't bring that in a marine.
Ako sad, ako mo play ko. 20 na may bayad, 20.
Ako pa bayaran mo ko.
Oh, sige.
Can I pet it?
Get out per minute.
Tanawon tanag imong pulso. Mayroon dart din oh.
You can feed the rabbit.
Meron din dart. Dart, that one, dart. Yeah.
Ayaw ko. Okay.
Go.
Bayaran mo?
Sige, ako ra.
Wait, not there. You can't feed the rabbit over
20
there.
pesos per pet.
Only 20 pesos
Per basket.
Jake. Come on, mag-feed kayo ng rabbit cow. Dalawa kayo.
Kakain ako yung dalawa.
Eh, paano yun? Wala, magbantay siya dyan.
Ano ba tayo? Pwede sumama? Ayan dyan sila. Dito kami. Pakainin mo tayo.
Sige, start. Ayusin mo ha, para panalo tayo.
May butas-butas?
Oo, ma'am.
Agoy, di maka-shooter. Di mo kasyat. Awa na, ako. They're Peter.
At least nag-enjoy sila.
Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. They're Peter. They're eating the rabbit. They're eating kangkong.
Picture mo.
Joran. Not eat. What happened to her?
I think I already fed it. I'll give the
Why
rest.
you didn't eat?
Okay.
Let's go, Ryan. Let's turn si mo kanina.
Madali lang.
Ay, dali ra. Wow, ah.
Lingkod-lingkod na dito.
Lingkod na. Sige.
Lingkod sa
Hindi kay lingkod.
What do you want to drink?
ilang kayo yung
Okay, ano naman si kuya dito, kabantay. Subiyaan po to niya dito. Lalabas na kami. May nangihi dyan. Do you want Ryan? Bayanihan. Yan. Naka-experience na kami nitong bayanihan eh.
Tabi, oh?
Tabi-tabi.
Tabi, oh.
Volunteering this area.